My name is Stefan Detke, and I'm heading the product management at Heidelberg Postpress in Ludwigsburg. As Rainer already mentioned, we at Heidelberg think push to stop, end to end. It all starts with transparency, and therefore, first time in history, we can offer you an easy way to get your operating data out of your Postpress equipment of any kind, commercial and packaging. Then the next thing for push to stop is a modern folder with push to stop technology, and the first time a robot system which helps you autonomously to put the stacks down on a pallet. But let's have a closer look. In a conventional folding, by changing one job to another, your operator has normally six touch points. With push to stop, with a barcode, the delivery recognized, and later the feeder, and later the delivery recognized, you do not have any of those touch points. The machine recognizes the end of the old job, and it starts follow autonomously the new job. For this performance, you need a helper on your side. And for this, we have created the new robot system, the P-Stacker. I want to show you a short video. Please keep in mind that this video should show you the general function of the system, but it's not running, the system is not running with full speed. You see our P folder running with 16,000 sheets per hour. We check the quality of the stack, and our gripper is taking the stack down to the pallet. Even push to stop is possible with this robot. Then the robot puts the different jobs on different areas on the pallet. We are using an industrial robot, so you can really rely on this system. It is able to put 300 packets down to the pallet in 1 hour, meaning 5 in 1 minute. The pallet goes up to a size of a Euro pallet, and every package can go up to 8 kilograms per stack. We even can turn those stacks. This is important for the downstream production, like saddle stitching, for example. Let's have a look at another video where we turn up the speed a little bit. This is a speed around 5 stacks the minute, so that you have an impression of the performance of the system. As you see, this is a prototype, and we will show you the final product within short time. Another pain point in your Postpress area is transparency. For the first time, we offer you a system where the machine automatically sends operating data to your server, and from there, any MIS provider of your choice can pick this data and integrate them in his operations. So data ready is the data interface to get data out of your Postpress equipment, commercial and packaging. I'm looking forward meeting you to discuss the products more. Thank you for your attention.